time we have a 洪水乌龙. Yeah, I told you, 洪水乌龙 is oolong tea. Oolong tea. Okay, 洪水乌龙 is oolong tea. And I will show you another tea. The name is Hong Oolong. And I will put them for you. And I also will show you where they are instead of Taiwan. Instead of Taiwan. Is Taiwan Eastern, and here is Taidong. Taidong is very, very famous of Hong Oolong. So if you go to Taiwan, try to go to Taidong. It's very nature place, very beautiful.
Here we have a Hong Oolong. Some people call it red oolong. Okay, doesn't matter red or Hong. We have a new tea for you. Every time I always open the new tea for you. New Hong Oolong, red oolong, same. You can see the tea leaf is a little different with other oolong tea. It's almost near black tea. Near, very, very near. Even we call oolong. And now, as usually, we need to warm everything. Every time, warm everything. Warm every tea set. Don't forget, it's very important. And we don't say anymore. Then we put the tea leaf into our lovely teapot. Of course, we can 闻香, smell aroma after we put the tea leaf into teapot. Then we put the hot water. Yes, Hong Oolong is very, very near black tea, so we need to give Hong Oolong hot water. High temperature is will make Hong Oolong more delicious. Anyway, you just think it's like black tea. Even it's not black tea, but almost near next to black tea. Okay, now is the first brew. Then we have a second one. You can see the color of tea is like red. It's like black tea. It's really like black tea. Oolong tea. It's very fun. Oh, okay. Now we have a third. We have a fourth. You can see the color of the tea is so bright. It's like a red amber. It's clarity. And the tea leaf after brew, the tea leaf, you can see it's really very similar black tea. Even after 5 brew, the color is also very good. Testing, drink. Sabe mielo.